In the ever-evolving world of design and construction, success lies not only in brick and mortar, but in the seamless collaboration of brilliant minds. Welcome to a new era of building projects, where today we delve into the power of collaboration within Cogence, where owners, architects, engineers, trade contractors, and other building experts are reshaping the future of construction by collaborating on projects from the concept stages and developing them together to completion.
Cogence Alliance, formed in 2016, is unique. We include all stakeholders, the lawyers, and the insurance agents, strategically built to drive the industry together. Our success is codependent, and Cogence partners, they know that. Therefore, they build each other up. In Cogence, all disciplines use their strengths to build trust and create synergy. This holistic approach not only breeds innovation, but it also reduces risk, conflicts, minimizes rework and delays, turns obstacles into opportunities, creates less stress, saves money, and allows for adapting to unforeseen circumstances as a united front. When challenges arise, we pull together our diverse expertise to find innovative solutions. The real magic happens at the bi-monthly roundtable discussions. These meetings enable Cogence partners to discuss and address challenges and opportunities impacting the industry now and potentially in the future, how they impact each project partner, and how to manage and prepare for these challenges.
In Ashtabula, Ohio, the Ashtabula County Medical Center, which is part of the Cleveland Clinic Health Network, wanted to add a new 115,000 square foot patient care tower. The new patient care tower will be a multi-story building with 55 new private patient rooms, including a new intensive care unit, 5 new operating rooms in the surgical suite, and 24 new rooms in the emergency department.
The Cogence methodology truly made a difference on the Ashtabula County Medical Center. As the architect for the project, we had to come to the table with 3 key components in order for us to be successful. The first of that is respect. Respect for everybody that was at the table. The owner, the CM, the subtrades. Each one of them has a skill set that was important to this project, and we needed to recognize that. Once we had that respect, trust became a big issue for us. The ability for us to trust everybody to do the jobs that they are skilled to do. Once we had the respect and the trust, we were able to then collaborate in a way to make the project as successful as it could possibly be.
Constructing large multi-million-dollar projects like the new hospital tower carries with it a bunch of risks that can significantly impact a project of this size. These risks often include budget overruns, project delays, scope creep, accidents, injuries, safety violations, as well as resource allocation challenges. Managing such projects require meticulous planning, effective communication, and the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances.
As a Cogence partner, you gain valuable insight into the importance of fostering success among your project partners. Cogence partners are reshaping the industry by seamlessly supporting one another and contributing significant value to projects as illustrated on the Ashtabula County Medical Center project. Agreement on project principles means decisions are made in the best interest of the project. Effective risk management means creative and collaborative risk mitigation. Collective planning means on-time delivery and optimization of supply chains. Simultaneous design and constructability means cost innovations. So how did Ashtabula County Medical Center save over $3 million and stay on schedule? The answer lies in trust, cultivated through their active partnership with Cogence, characterized by a deep mutual understanding and a profound respect.
As an owner, we benefit from the Cogence team charter in a number of ways. First, it provides a common ground that allows the construction manager, the owner, the engineer, architects, subcontractors, etc., to all agree on the basic principles of the project. And a big part is that the risk is distributed among all. So rather than risk being forced further and further down to the subcontractors and material suppliers and so forth, right up front the owner is taking risk on the project as well. So the Cogence principles really affect the simple idea that Maybe you're not the smartest person in the room. Maybe the people, the subcontractors, architects, engineers, construction managers that do this every day for a living, all their lives, they may know something more about the process than you do. Bringing all that together and working it together from an ownership perspective really brings about success in these types of projects.
I'm proud to be part of Cogence. Cogence is focused on trust, respect, transparency, collaboration. These are all things that mitigate risk on a project. So as a result, as subcontractors, construction managers end up being more profitable in the process. This truly is a win-win. But it all starts with the owner. The owner leads the initiative. The owner sets the tone for the project, if you will. And as a result, when an owner embraces the Cogence methodology, it has a powerful impact.
Since I was involved from the beginning of Cogence, two things that I can definitely take away from the difference between the traditional approach and the Cogence process is the communication. With the Cogence process, the communication is circular. I have the ability to talk to the engineer, the architect, or the owner at any given time to solve a problem. With the traditional approach, that was never available. Another thing that we have the ability to create is trust from the beginning. Since we're involved very early in the stage of pre-construction, we develop a trust that we are going to be part of the process and we're going to bring value through the entire process.
The project at Ashtabula County Medical Center was very complex. It was trying to maintain an existing system in operation without a shutdown. It involved multiple phases. Rather than draw it up as the engineer and give it to the contractor to install, we worked daily for a 2 to 3 week period with the detailer from the mechanical contractor to come up with the best way of doing each phase. It's a fantastic way of doing a job when it's a complex project.
Don't confuse this process with an IPD. While they share many concepts, they're not the same. The Cogence methodology allows the owner to bring a team on board early that will bring the best contributions and cost innovations to the project. This process fosters accountability, collaboration, and communication between every construction entity. The early involvement of the trade contractors working hand in hand with the design engineers allow the best of both worlds, utilizing the engineer's expertise and the hands-on best practices of the trade contractor. It creates a harmonious, non-confrontational partnership that eliminates duplication of time, redrawing of plans, and potential supply chain issues.
Using the Cogence methodology, at the start of this project, all of the stakeholders, including the design assist subcontractors, had over the course of several months, numerous meetings to review target value design ideas, which resulted in a savings of nearly $3 million. The ownership at ACMC was very helpful by making very quick and timely decisions on the value savings ideas that were presented to them. Not only was there a significant cost savings in the project, but there was a significant improvement in lead times for materials and equipment.
Building trust is very important to the success of a project and an important outcome for Cogence partners. Join Cogence as a partner today, and together we will reshape the industry for a better tomorrow.